Because of the outbreak of COVID-19, we decided in late January that we would do online teaching instead of face-to-face teaching. Our decisions were governed by three basic principles. First of all, we must ensure the health and safety of students and staff. Secondly, our teaching must still deliver the same learning outcomes. Finally, we must minimize any impact on the academic progress and graduation timeline of students.
我哋採取嘅策略咧，就係我哋做一個廣泛嘅諮詢。我哋通過院長咧，就同系主任啦，由系主任去同呢個前線嘅老師攞佢哋嘅 feedback 啦。咁跟住咧，我哋都會同學生會啦，同呢一個工會啦，係不斷有個溝通，係希望知道每一個佢哋面對嘅咩問題。
我哋理大學生會都進行咗多次嘅問卷調查，咁就去了解翻同學嘅一啲需要同埋意見，並且向校方去跟進同埋反映翻相關嘅意見。
將全校所有嘅面授課堂都改喺網上進行，確實真係前所未有嘅。資訊科技處嘅同事其實係面對好大嘅挑戰嘅。除咗提供設備啦，去支援老師之外，網絡嘅穩定性同埋係雲端嘅容量咧，其實都係好重要嘅。同時要好快咁配合，同埋提供可行嘅方案，先至可以令到我哋本地啦同埋境外嘅學生喺網上上堂嗰陣時候係能夠更加暢順。
唔少老師同埋支援嘅同事喺呢段期間，其實都要返嚟校園進行網上教學或者準備教材，所以即使同學唔使返嚟上堂咧，校園依然實施嚴謹嘅衛生防疫措施。
成2年前，成個大學都有一個咁嘅走向，即係要 go online 啦。咁我就將我自己 subject 去轉啦，將原本一個好 conventional 嘅 model 就變成咗有1/3嘅 lecture 係高 E 嘅。我都希望佢哋個 seminar 可以係一個高 cyber 嘅 discussion， 咁係做咗一個 peer learning 嘅一個好效果嘅。呢幾個做法完全都唔關疫情事嘅，但係點知疫情一到嚟嘅時候咧，呢啲嘢全部用得着。
Our school is well known for hands-on practice, hands-on training.Especially in design education. So I had to prepare the webcam and lighting so I can actually deliver the face-to-face teaching online directly. Students really kind of enjoy this online teaching. They said it's actually better than if they expected. Many people complain about the online teaching from the beginning, but at the end, for so far, we didn't have any problem. And then students actually like it because they can share the equal angle of the demo.
用咗網上平台，能夠令到我哋按住自己嘅進度啦嚟到去學習同埋溫習嘅。
網上面嘅教學咧，其實唔單止係錄影片同埋做呢個 PowerPoint 嘅，我哋嘅老師同埋科研人員咧，亦都喺實驗室裏邊咧錄製唔同嘅實驗嘅步驟。咁同學咧雖然未必能夠親身嚟做實驗，但係佢哋都可以按自己嘅需要咧喺網上面重溫唔同嘅細節。
I think the lecturer has to be much more aware that they have to engage the students and encourage the students to speak when you're online. But I find it's sometimes easier now to get the sharing in the class through the online. And I think it's important that the students own those activities. So the interactivity is higher than it might have been.
Have you had a chance to look at the activity?
Both, maybe we will speak 1 to 2 sentences.
When it first started the online learning, I was away in my hometown for attending the lectures. And actually my experience was in some sense better than the offline teaching, because actually it was easier for students to give anonymous poll and anonymous answers to the professor, and professor could easily check on the progress of the student.
我哋明白學生一時之間喺學習個模式有轉變，所以亦都會遇到好多技術上嘅問題，同時間亦都係需要適應嘅。所以我哋經常同學生保持溝通，理解佢哋嘅需要，盡力去減低疫情對學生學習上嘅影響。
At the moment we're still continuing with the email, but we've replaced the face-to-face with other techniques such as using WhatsApp. We have a WhatsApp service We provide e-learning clinics within Blackboard Collaborate for 4 hours a day. And we also offer lots of webinars, at least 1 webinar a day. These are like online workshops with a 15-minute live Q&A at the end. So we're offering a range of support. I think the principal challenges faced by teachers and learners are very similar, and they're along the lines of unfamiliarity with the modality of learning online. Teachers and students are not used to the pedagogy or the tools or the techniques, so it's a big challenge for everybody.
咁喺呢一次咁緊迫變化咁多嘅情況下邊做呢個 online teaching 咧，咁我絕對相信咧唔係每樣嘢都盡善盡美嘅，有好多可以改善空間。
Going entirely online for the first time at PolyU posed a tremendous challenge to the PolyU community. But this has certainly accelerated our use of new technologies and approaches in teaching and learning. Thanks to the joint efforts of all staff and students, the online teaching activities have been effective and successful.